All right, so we're at Khan Academy, and I am going to sign up for a new account, and I'm going to declare myself a new learner, and put my birthday in there. Crack up at this one. Gotta scroll way down. Not that far. Right there. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and enter a class code. And that class code was from the join. And it's looks like that. I'm going to add that. And this is where I am going to Ms. Church's technology class. To your class code, I already did. Create a new account. Oh, I have to put that in there again. Oops. I'm going to sign up with an email. You can sign up with a Google account. And I'll pause it here. So I'm signed in. You can see that it says, welcome to your class, Ms. Church Technology. And we click onward. And I believe I have my class because it says Ms. Church here. I'm going to come over here to courses. And I will select 8th grade. Click continue. And then the course that we're going to be doing is called computer programming. And we're going to be doing JavaScript, just basic computer programming. Now, if you have already done the Pixar class, it would say Pixar here. Okay, so you would have to go ahead and add another course, just like that. And then you would click on, you can unclick your Pixar and then click computer programming. This way you will be able to have both accounts, or you can have both of them selected, or you can only just have one. It's your choice. So for our purposes, we're going to do computer programming and continue with one course. Okay, so I switched accounts just to show you that if you have already worked on the Pixar in a box from a few weeks ago, then it's okay to add our computer programming course. You can either click here or right down here, and then just scroll down to computer programming. Now you can have them both checked, or you can just have one checked. It doesn't matter. Okay, so you can have two courses all ready to go. You could resume the animation course, or you can come back up here and continue working on the, or start working on the JavaScript computer programming class. So for this next course, we are only going to focus on intro to JavaScript. That's what JS stands for. Drawing and animation. And we are going to do the first two, which is intro to programming and drawing basics. Okay, So those are the only two programs that you need to worry about. And once you have a waving snowman, take a snippet of that and post that in the week 3 check-in. Okay? So you want to take a snippet of that. All right. So that is how we are going to get credit for this next week of elective options. Okay.